Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Today I'm going to be doing this bridal makeup look right here. This is perfect for somebody who plans to do their own makeup on their wedding day, and so many of you had requested me to do something with gold. So here it is. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and let's get this started. First, I'm going to be using this ebony color from my Coastal Scents brow palette, and I'm going to be filling my brows with this color, and later I will be cleaning the borders of my brows using a concealer. I'm going to bring the concealer down to my lids as well, so that'll be the base for any eyeshadows that'll go over it. And I will set this concealer with my Artistry loose powder before it starts creasing. From my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, I'm taking this yellow color and I'm going to be applying this in the crease with a large blending brush from Wet n Wild. So this is going to be my transition color, and I'll be mostly focusing it in the outer corner as well as the crease. Next, I'm taking this warm orange color and I'm going to be repeating my previous step, mostly focusing this color in the outer crease. And the brush that I'm using is Sigma E40, which is again a blending brush, but it's a tad smaller than the Wet n Wild brush that I used earlier. Next, taking this red color, I'm going to be focusing this in the outer corner, and I will bring the residue down to the crease again using the smallest blending brush that I have. Next, I'm taking this liquid shadow. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in Topaz Twinkle. With this, I'm going to be cutting my crease all the way up to half of my lid. And before this dries, I'm taking the Benne Lumiere Luxe powder in Aztec Gold, and I'll be sticking it directly over this. To seal this gold pigment and to add some extra shine, I'm going to be using the glitter side of the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art glitter, and I'll be applying this directly over the pigment. Next, I'm going to clean up all the fallout and prime my face with the Lasting Finish Primer from Rimmel. To color correct, I'm using the Master Camo from Maybelline. This is in the color red. A lot of you mentioned in the comments that this might be a very dark color for me, and I kind of agree with that. But I went back and I looked at the swatches again, and they did mention that the orange color that they have is for very light skin tones, and the red one was for deeper skin tones, and that's why I just stuck with it. Either way, I'm not very happy with this product because I feel like no matter how much you set it, it's going to mix with the foundation, so this is probably the last time I'm going to be using it. Next, as always, I'm going to be setting it with a loose powder, and the one that I'm using today is from Artistry. Although I know that this particular product, even though I set it, it's going to mix with the foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Artistry Youth Extend in the color Brulee, and I'm going to be using a damp beauty sponge to dab this all over my face. Using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, I'm going to conceal as well as highlight. Unfortunately, this is a tad darker than what I expected for highlighting, so this works perfectly for me to conceal the dark circles, but definitely not a good highlighting color. Using the Artistry Loose powder one more time, I'm going to set just under my eyes before it starts creasing. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Press powder in the color Sandstorm. Using the color Fawn from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit, I'm going to start contouring my face to give it some structure. And then I'm going to highlight the highest planes of my face using the color Banana. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Sun Shimmer. And for blush, I'm using the Sigma Aura powder in pink. I'm going to be adding more loose powder on my cheeks, so in case there's any fallouts from the eye makeup that I'll be doing now, it's going to collect it and it's easier to dust it off later. Using this dark brown color from MAC, it's called Brown Down. I'm going to start softening my lower lash line using a pencil brush, and then I'm going to bring the same color to the outer corner just to intensify it further. Next, with my NYX black eye pencil, I'm going to tightline my waterline, and then I'm going to be using the NYX matte eyeliner in black to pull out a wing in the top lash line. Using MAC Carbon, which is a black eyeshadow, you can use any black eyeshadow for this. I'm going to set my lower waterline with this as well as bring it down to my lash line. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator, I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners as well as brow bones. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. The one that I'm using today is Lash-O-Matic from Wet n Wild. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Amaze Mink lashes from Bebella Cosmetics. Using more highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting the highest planes of my face very lightly because I want this makeup to be mostly matte. But again, if I'm facing the camera, I want that light shine as well, and that's why I'm going to be highlighting it. Because the eyes are so dramatic, I wanted to go really simple on my lips and very toned down. So for that, I'm going to be using this peach color from the Cat Sweet Matte Lipstick collection of Wet n Wild, and it's called Coral Corruption. And here's the completed look. Let me know your thoughts on this look by commenting below. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. And please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And I will see you again next week with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.